Welcome to day 40 of 90 Days Day Challenge, and let's quickly discuss what are the 4 things which you need to work upon in order to become a professional trader. First is you need to work upon your psychology, that is mind management, because market always keeps evolving, based on which we have to keep charge of the 4 emotions, that is hope, fear, greed, and desire. Second is we have to work upon our risk management, based on which we will be determined what is the maximum amount of loss which we can incur on any particular trade, whether it is in equity, futures, options, forex, or even in any other thing as well. The third thing which you need to work upon is going to be your tools management, so that you can determine what are the different sets of tools or indicators which you can use in order to execute the trade, whether it is via technical analysis or through fundamental analysis. And last but not the least is going to be trade management, where you will be able to determine what are the systems and strategies which you need to apply in order to create better results for yourself. And these particular systems and strategies keep differing based on what kind of trader or investor you are. So this is a short glimpse about this particular reel. Make sure you share your biggest takeaways below this particular video, and I'll see you tomorrow with some new concept.